Hello to all restaurant owners and operation managers in the food service industry. Today, we'll walk you through the core functions of the Retekess TD037 step page system step by step, single call, group call, mass call, all with one type. Paired with the device's robust species, it will boost your step response efficiency about 30% right off the bat. Let's start with the basic single call operation. Press the plus key to switch models. The screen showing here means quickly call mode, and you can page the corresponding receiver by directly pressing the number keys from 1 to 24. The receiver has a receiving sensitivity of 120 dB, so the signal is received accurately even with loud kitchen noise. For paging receivers numbered above 24, switch to combination number mode. Enter the number with keys from 10 to 1 and 10 starts for 0 and press the call key when done. Just 2 simple steps. Now let's highlight our core advantage features, group calls and mass calls, a feature that our competitor Backlit doesn't have. The TD037 supports setting up 1 to 10 groups with a maximum of 10 receivers members per group. For example, assign front of house service to group 1 and back of house chef to group 2, and you can page an entire group in combination mode by pressing keys from 11 to 20 to our 20 here. No more yelling for each staff members individually, saving a ton of communication time. For emergencies that incurs all staff to respond, press the number key 24 for mass call, and all paired receivers will gather alert simultaneously, enabling seamless correspondence between front and back of house. We also have 2 ultra-practical design advantages. First, a writable and erasable panel. Just down temporary staff role adjustments for your store and wrap it clean easily when needed. Second, PC integration via the Type-C part. You can manage paging interactively on your computer and view historical paging records for easy operational review. Let's talk about the receiver's battery life and a large advantage too. The receiver is built with a 3.7 volt 1550 mAh lithium battery with a standby current of only 6.6 mAh and a standby time of over 36 hours. It has a charging current of 220 mAh. Fully charging is just 2.5 and 3.5 hours, perfect for a full day of use in our store. What's more, the receiver features triple alerts, buzzer, vibration, and light with a volume of over or equal to 85 dB, plus dual indicators for battery level and single strength, so you always know the device status, no more missed pages. With such easy operation and robust species, your staff can master the TD037 in 5 minutes, whether it's for a small coffee or large barbecue joint. It truly cuts cost and boosts efficiency. Click the link now to experience this high-efficiency paging system for yourself. That's all. Thank you.